All right, let's take a look at some loan formulas. So in this case, we have that you can afford a $600 monthly payment on a car. So the fact that it says monthly payment already tells us what type of situation we're in. We're in one where we do monthly changes, in this case payments, and this will be a loan. A company is offering a 3% interest rate for 48 months. That's 4 years. How big of a car can you afford? Okay, so with each monthly payment, the amount in the account, the loan value, is going to shrink until you finally pay off your car. So this means that we're going to use the shrinking formula. That would be this one. That was the one with the negative exponent. A negative exponent will have this shrink each time a payment is made. Okay, now we have the D value is 600. The monthly payment is the D value. It's called deposit. We have R is the 3%, so divide by 100, that's 0.03. The N, in this case, isn't how many times compounded, it's how often you make your deposit, or your withdraw, or your payment. In this case, monthly, we would use N equals 12. T is how many years? That would be 4. So plugging this into our formula, we will find A, which is the amount you can afford in the loan, which is what they asked for, equals 600, parenthesis 1 minus, parenthesis 1 plus R, 0.03, over N, 12, parenthesis, to the exponent, and I have parentheses around the exponent to make sure the negative 12 times 4 gets computed before it's an exponent, and then divide by 0.03 over 12. Now it's just a matter of using your calculator. If you use the parentheses around the exponent, then regardless of which calculator you have, you should be able to just type this in from left to right, top to bottom. So we have 600, left parenthesis, 1 minus, left parenthesis, 1 plus 0.03 divided by 12. Now here we have a right parenthesis and then exponent. So right parenthesis, then your exponent button. Left parenthesis, negative 12 times 4. And then we have 2 right parentheses. Divided by left parenthesis, 0.03 divided by 12, and final right parenthesis. Whew. We hit enter, we get a value. That's the cost. That's how big of a car loan you can afford. $27,107.22 rounded. Now, notice there's a subtraction in the formula and there's a negative in the formula. On your calculator, you have a subtraction button, and you should also have a negative button. Make sure you don't get those confused, or else you'll get errors in your calculator, and it might not give you any answer at all. So we have $27,107.22. All right, go ahead and work on the problem on the right once you pause the video. Okay, you should get A equals $243,932.24. That's how big of a loan you can afford. All right, I hope this makes sense.